welcome back aboard the crazy train with the Grand Solar Minimum's Crazy Canuck. Just a quick update. It's only been a few hours since I posted that last video and had the system up and running, and we are already at 60.9 degrees. It's only a few degrees away from the shutoff point. This is the highest temperature this soil's been since I set it all up. So far it's working really well, especially starting from cold. I suspect that everything is just going to shoot up like crazy once that soil temperature gets up and stays up. Things are looking good. Now, if you remember my one of my other videos where I replaced the Hidden Harvest grow light, this one here, with that screw-in light bulb type over top of the potatoes and onions, the bricks is lower by at least 1 point than it was with the Hidden Harvest grow lights. So the Hidden Harvest are still the best. We just have to figure out how to get that bricks number up. And one more little thing on this update that I think you all find interesting. But before I get to that, if you haven't figured it out yet, which I probably think you all have, once you have a heat source, whether it's a solar, wood, propane, oil, whatever it is, and you're heating water, I can pump this water anywhere I want and have a warm water source. If the grid goes down, we don't have any heat in the house, I can still burn wood, I can burn propane, I can burn oil, I can heat water, and a very small solar system or a backup battery system or a generator will operate that tiny little pump forever. So that's a nice thing about having a remote system. Now for another part of the update, and I'll be right back. Now here is a container that I had onions in. I think these are the Egyptian walking onions. I'm not sure, it could be shallots. Won't know until I get a little bit bigger. But these were brought in last fall. They've been sitting in my shop, no heat, probably froze a few times, under no light except for my shop light, and there was even a container sitting on top of them. It doesn't matter. They know what time of year it is and they start growing. And I bricks tested these and they were 6 bricks, which is higher than everything we've ever tested under the grow lights. Just a really interesting little observation. I'm going to just keep this watered and keep it growing, and we're going to see what happens here. Probably in another week or two I can even start putting them outside during the day and get a little bit of sunlight. But everything knows when to grow. Even the strawberries, they're even starting to green up here in the crown. They've been here all winter, no special treatment, no lights, nothing has changed. Temperature in here has been constant all winter. There's just no way that there's no changes because of the time of year. They just know. So just an interesting observation, and that'll be it for this little update, and look forward to my next video. So subscribe if you haven't, like if you like, and enjoy your ride on the crazy train.